Hello and welcome to Locinox. The Panther Gate Closer. Thanks to its design, the Panther can be installed on a concrete post, brick post, wall or a steel post as seen here. It can also be installed on a gate with vertical bars thanks to the RailFit accessory. Designed for gates up to 1.5 meters wide and 150 kilograms, and also reversible. It can be adapted for right or left-hand gates. It opens up to 120 degrees. It features adjustable closing speed and final snap setting. Like all Locinox products, it's made for outdoor installation. This way it's unaffected by temperature or climate. Thanks and see you soon with more information.